Good morning, my dear students. Class, today we will continue with your next topic. Now, we from here we have to do little bit fast as we have to revise for your half yearly examination also. Very soon you will get the um, date sheet and everything you will get, and you will come to know the patterns and everything also. So, class, see, this is from the same exercise that is 12.2, and this is the fourth question. Till third we have done. So class, a chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeters subtend a right angle at the center, something like this, and this is the chord and it is subtended right angle at the center. This is given. Now we have to find the area of corresponding minor segment and major sector. Minor segment, major sector. This is your minor segment, this one part, and major sector. So class, as we have done previously also, this how we will drive, we will get the area of this sector, then we will subtract it from the area of the triangle. Now this is a right angle triangle, so directly we can use half base into height also to get the area of this triangle, or we can do that, we can use that formula, and that I have told you, 1 upon 2 r square sine theta. This is for 90 and below, and r square sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2, this is for above 90. This is the trick I have told you. Now let's proceed, class. First of all, area of the minor sector, formula theta upon 360 pi r square. Now area of triangle, here they have used half base into height, base and height. So after that, finally area of minor segment is equals to area of minor sector minus area of triangle. This is the way how we can name also. Sometime there are 2-3 sector, then we can name like this also. Now class, moving forward, finally they have subtracted area of, this is minor sector and this is area of triangle, and finally answer is this. This is the first part. Now moving forward to second part, they have asked for major sector. So class, this part is 90 degree, then this will be 270. So directly 270 upon 360 pi r square will give the area of this part. So we will proceed with this, and finally we will get this answer. Now class, next question. Next question is, in a circle radius 21 centimeter and arc is subtended at an angle of 60 degree at the center. So class, angle is 60 degree, radius is 21. So these are the two things which are given. So length of the arc of a sector can be determined by 2 pi r theta upon 360. I have explained you in my last video. So the same they have done, they have substituted the value 2 pi r and 60 upon 360. Now in question you can see the area of the sector formed. This we have to determine. So class, with the same concept we will determine this theta upon 360 pi r square, and we will get this value. Next is we have to get the area of the segment forced by corresponding chord. Means in this diagram we have to get the area of this segment. So area of sector minus area of this triangle. This triangle is a equilateral triangle, so that they have shown completely that these two angles are 60 degree. This is your OAB. This angle equals to this angle, because this is forming a isosceles triangle as it is R and R, and this angle is 60, this angle is given as 60 degree. So overall you can say that x plus 60 is equals to 180. That is, overall this angle is also your these all angles are 60 degrees, so it is forming a equilateral triangle. I hope you are understanding, class. This I have told you in shortcut many times. This is 60, this is x, this is x. So x plus, no need to do this all concept, you can do by your own also, is equals to 180. So finally on solving, x is equals to 60 will go to that side, 120 divided by 2, that is 60. So this is also 60 and this is also 60, so it is the equilateral triangle. Now area of equilateral triangle, you all know this. You can use that formula also, that's not a problem. 1 upon 2 r square sine 60 also, same answer will come. But I have told you it is an equilateral triangle, then we can use the formula for equilateral triangle also. This is the formula of equilateral triangle. Now the area of segment we have to determine, so sector minus triangle. And you can leave the answer here also, because our main motive is to get the area of the triangle, area of the segment. Here you will maximum you will find they have left the answer here only, but you can solve it further also, it's your wish, but basically till here also it is correct, because they don't focus on, CBSE don't focus on the calculation and all, they focus mainly on the formulas, that's why. Now class 6th and 7th you will try yourself. I have come to the question number 8. Question number 8 is a horse is tied to a peg at the corner of a square shaped grassland. Here it is, one horse is there, and with the rope it is tied up at one of the corner. Then how much area it will graze? So class, it is a square, so this angle is 90 degree, and the radius will be the rope in which the horse is tied up, because horse can go till here only. So area of the part the horse can graze, so here we have theta is equals to 90 degree and radius is equals to 5, so area of sector we will put. So this is only given, and finally the area of sector formula is applied, and finally answer is there. Now talking about, now question says that now rope is increased by 10 meter long, instead of 5 meter, means previously it was grazing till here, that is 5 was there, now it is 10. So class, we have to tell how much area is increased, this area we have to get. So for that we will get the area of the sector with radius 10, and we will subtract from the previous one, this one, and we will get the new area, that is this one area we have to get, whole area minus this one area, that is this area. I hope you all are understanding. Now your next, this question is little different, not much. It says there is a brooch, and this is the circle is made with the help of the silver wire, and 5 silver wire is also used for making the diameters. So this diagram is made, this one diagram. Now class, what we are going to do, we have to find first of all the length, total length. So total length is 2 pi r plus 5 into diameter. R is, we will determine from here, that is 35 upon 2, and here D is 35. So in millimeter we will get the answer. This is a design, brooch type design. So class, this is the way finally we are getting the answer. Same they have done. And finally next question is area of the sector of the brooch. So area of the sector, so class, as it is given that diameter is dividing the circle into 10 equal sectors. So 10 equal sector means angle will also be divided into 10 parts. So total angle is 360. 360 divided by 10, you can say 36 is the angle formed by it, 36 degree. Now you have to get the area. So area, you know, theta upon 360 pi r square. R is here, from diameter we can derive r. This is, we have already derived, that is 36 degree, and finally we will get the answer. So this is only done here, 36 degree, and r is substituted as 35 upon 2, and this is done. You have to read the question very carefully. Now next is, this is the umbrella. 8 ribs are there, these are the ribs, and equally spaced, and on making it flat, it is becoming a circle of radius 45. Now we have to get the area between two conjugative strip, means area of sector only. So area of sector is what? Area of sector is theta upon 360 pi r square. R is this, and if we talk about the theta, they are all equally inclined, they are all equal. So 360 upon 8, that is 45. Finally the same they have written, they are equally inclined, so angle will be 45, and on substituting the value you will get this. That's all. Next is related to the car has two wipers, do not overlap each other. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeter, sweeping through an angle of 115. Means suppose this is the car front, and there are two wipers, and the wiper length is 25, and it is going like this, and it is making an angle of 115. So class, angle is 115 and radius is 25. So we will get the area of this sector, and we will multiply by 2. So to get the area of both the sectors, you can see this diagram. So area of sector, and finally we will have to multiply this by 2. Area served by 2 blades, this. Okay class. Now next is the round table has cover has 6 design. There was a table, and it was the cover placed on that table, and it has 6 design, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. And if the radius of the cover is 28, and these all designs are equal, so class, you can assume that if we will join this with the center, then it is forming a 6 equal sectors and we have to get the area of the segment. So 6 equal sectors, so angle is 60 degree, radius is 28. So we will get the area of this sector, then area of the triangle. Area of triangle, this is 60 degrees, so it is a equilateral triangle as we have done in one of the previous question. In this way we have to go with. So the same they have written here, same they have written here. And next, same they have done, they have proved that this is a equilateral triangle. So we can do directly also in our way that angle is 60 degrees, so it is forming a equilateral triangle. Directly you can write. After that, area of the equilateral triangle, area of the sector, and finally this is the area of the sector formed. Finally, area of sector minus area of triangle. In this also you can leave the question in roots only. Till here you can leave, that's not a problem. They have put the value of root 3 value, I have told you many times, 1.732. They have put 1.7 only, approximate value they have taken. So that's the thing. Now class, finally one design area is determined. After determining one area, then 6 areas are there, so multiplying by 6 you will get this answer. And cost of designing is this much, so total cost is, you can determine area into this area into 0.35, you will get the answer in rupees finally. I hope you all are understanding class. So that's all class. You try these questions, I will send you the pics also, no problem with that. You go with it and you try rest of the question. And your exercise is finished almost, 2-3 questions are left that you have to do yourself. And wherever you will face problem, you can ask question to me anytime. And everyone be serious about it class. Many of you are not sending me work, and I have to remark you, I have to give you marks for it. I cannot give you marks without seeing your notebook work. That's all class.